Firstly, they list. This is the most common one of them all, and the examiners and the exam board hate lists. So this would be something like this. A disadvantage of waking up late is that I will miss the bus. I will miss breakfast. I won't say bye to mum. And I will miss the morning TV show. Yeah, they are all maybe true things, but that is 4 knowledge points, 4 things, and shows no relationship, no cause and effect. That's 4 things, and they would hate that. They would say there's no analysis there. They'd maybe give you 1 mark for knowledge. You might say, hey, well, I've given 4 knowledge things. Doesn't work like that. Most of the time they'll give you 1 mark for knowledge and say there is no analysis. So that is terrible. We don't do that. We need to make sure we give 1 and choose your point carefully, because you're really going to have to develop it and explain it. So that's a first common mistake. Second, the illogical chain, I call it. The illogical. That you're not getting the cause and the effect. A disadvantage of waking up late is that I will miss the bus. This means I will be tired. What? Lots of people write it. Again, it's quite obvious in this simple example talking about the bus, but in business terms, it's easy to give an illogical. It's not the consequence. Being tired isn't the consequence of missing the bus. The consequence doesn't connect with the cause, so wrong again. We need to make sure that the consequent links with that cause. Third, I talk about the broken chain. Okay, if we go back to the example that I did earlier, a disadvantage of waking up late is that I will miss the bus. Therefore, I cannot go to the cinema at the weekend. If you remember back, I did say that, but I had to have a couple of points in between that made sense there. Because although that might be the consequently I will not be able to watch my favourite film with my friends and I will not like it. Well, you said that was true. Yes, I did. But this doesn't make sense because it's a big jump from this first, waking up late, therefore I cannot go to the cinema. The reader is going, well, how did we get there? The chain is broken. I can't follow the logic. So we had to be walked through. So again, that would be wrong. It wouldn't make any sense.